Hey there, Jeff Heyman here. We are about to get to the video. Before we get to the video though, I'd like to welcome you to click the link in the description. It's the first link you're going to see right down below. And it's going to take you to a page that's going to show you the exact system that I'm currently using to make thousands of dollars every single month and work from home full time. This is the exact same system that allowed me to go ahead and quit my 9 to 5 in early 2018. Since then, I've been living the work from home lifestyle, and it's been fantastic. I've got hundreds of students doing the same thing. Overall in this system, literally there are thousands of people that are using this to make a fantastic monthly income. And the exciting part about this is that it is super affordable to get started. We're talking about $12 that you can turn into an income that can literally help you make as much money as you want. The sky is the limit here. So it doesn't matter if you're on a tiny budget or you've got a lot of money. It doesn't matter. You can get started here, and I'm going to show you at the link below how to leverage just $12 and turn that into thousands of dollars per month. So I'll see you at the link, and now let's go ahead and get to the video.
Hi, my name's Alex Copeland, and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. And this is our Ecom Profits course. Now, how exactly can you create your store? Well, there's several ways, and let's just briefly go through the main ones. The first one that comes to mind is WordPress. Most people are familiar with this, but if you're not, it's a content management system that you can install on your website and then add various plugins and themes to it in order to make it function how you want. Now, many people run their stores on WordPress, but there's a lot involved in getting it set up. You need to learn all about things like cPanel, how to get in there and add different things, FTP, uploading files, and then you need to add your correct themes to make it into a shop. WooCommerce is the main one for this, and although they try to make it as simple as possible, it is fairly difficult to set up. There's an awful lot of settings in there you have to get your head around to make it work properly. Then you have to add all your plugins to make it function correctly and work out all the settings for those. Now, if this wasn't bad enough, you've then got all the hosting that comes with it and the tech know-how. It's a bit of a headache to get it sorted, to be honest. So what other options are there? Well, you could get a hosted solution, something like Shopify. Now, this is made with just having a shop in mind, so everything is there for you. But there's still an awful lot of add-ons and different things you need to learn. There's all sorts of different settings again. You have to learn how it works to add your stock. But the main thing about it is the massive cost and commitment. Whatever level you get on these sort of things, you are going to be spending quite a lot per month. And the commitment is huge because once you've built up your business, you need to keep it alive to make more sales. Now, this is an expense that you don't necessarily need to have. You can create something super simple, and you should always try to make things as simple as possible because why make it any harder than it has to be? Now, there's a few solutions out there, but the best one we've found currently is called eCompare 2. Now, this is a store builder that gives live price comparisons over 7 different networks. Now, why is this a good thing? It's good because it means that your customers are going to see the best deals, buy through your links, and you're going to get an affiliate commission because they bought through you. But that's not all. The fact is, it looks really good, and it comes straight out of the box like this. You just set it up once and set all your different settings in the back, which are very easy to do, and it pops out a site that looks like this. Now, you can see how professional this looks. This one's been based on phones, and if we look through here, we can click through and see the different shop. Now, here's the shop here, and you've got the different comparisons of all the different phones. Now, all of this has been done for us. We didn't add any of this in. And all we have to do if you want to look at one is click through to it and see more details. Now, it's got descriptions, it's got the nice images, and it's comparing the prices on the different networks that we've set up. You can also add a blog, which is very important for later on when I explain how you get some traffic. Now, you can go the WordPress route, you could go the Shopify route, but if you want to save all that tech know-how and all that cash, then we thoroughly recommend eCompare 2. In the next video, we're going to give you some design tips on what's important to have in your store.